Yo, MG Squad, Malachi Greb here from Evansville, Indiana, hitting you with the hottest Tesla update straight from the last 48 hours, January 16th to 18th, 2026. Forget EVs for a sec. Tesla's AI chips are about to change everything. Elon's dropping bombs on their insane progress. And if you're investing in TSLA like I am, this is your wake-up call. These chips could dominate the world. Let's break it down raw. We're talking game-changing tech. That's pushing Tesla beyond cars into an AI empire. As someone who's scaled businesses from scratch, I see this as the kind of pivot that turns companies into legends. Stick around. I'm diving deep into what these chips mean for your portfolio, the tech world, and hell, maybe even humanity. We'll cover the history, the tech specs, partnerships, investor angles, future predictions, and even some wild speculations. If you're an entrepreneur grinding side hustles or a TSLA bull like me, this is gold. Let's get into it. Buckle up. First off, Elon Musk just tweeted that Tesla's AI 5 chip design is basically done, like tape out ready. For those not in the know, tape out means the design's finalized and ready for manufacturing. It's the green light to start cranking these things out. And get this, AI 6 is already in the pipeline. They're on a 9-month beast mode cycle, AI 7, AI 8, and beyond dropping like clockwork. This ain't slow tech, it's warp speed. Most companies take years to iterate on chips, but Tesla, they're moving like a startup on steroids. Elon says these could become the highest volume AI chips on the planet. We're talking billions produced. Imagine that. Tesla flooding the market with AI powerhouses. As an entrepreneur who's scaled businesses, I see this as Tesla pivoting to AI empire status. It's not just about selling cars anymore. It's about owning the brains behind the future. Let me paint a picture. These chips could end up in everything from robots to supercomputers. Elon's vision is massive, and this announcement is the proof. But how did we get here? Let's rewind a bit on Tesla's AI journey to appreciate the hustle. It all started back in the day when Tesla realized off-the-shelf chips weren't cutting it for full autonomy. They had to build their own to handle the massive data from cameras and sensors. This move wasn't just smart, but it was necessary. And without custom silicon, self-driving would still be a pipe dream. Now, with AI 5 wrapping up, we're seeing the fruits of years of grinding. Elon didn't just talk about it, he executed. That's the entrepreneur mindset. Spot the gap, fill it, dominate. Tesla didn't start as an AI chip maker. They began with cars, but autonomy forced their hand. Back in 2016, they were using Nvidia chips for autopilot, but Elon saw the limitations. Too power hungry, not optimized for Tesla's neural nets. So in 2019, boom, they unveiled their first full self-driving hardware 3-chip. It was a beast for its time, handling neural nets for driving at 21 tops. That's tera operations per second. Fast forward to 2023, HW4 dropped with even more power, like 300 tops or so. Rumor has it, now we're at AI 4, which Elon claims will surpass human safety levels for self-driving. Think about that. No more accidents from human error. Stats show human drivers crash every 100,000 miles or so, but Tesla's aiming for millions between incidents. But AI 5, that's next level. It's designed to power Optimus robots. Those humanoid bots Tesla's been teasing. These things could fold laundry, assemble cars, or even care for the elderly. And the rapid 9-month cycles mean by 2027, we could see AI 9 or 10. Elon compares it to Moore's law and crack and exponential growth. Why does this matter? Because chips are the bottleneck in AI. Nvidia's been king, but Tesla's custom designs are optimized for their needs, efficient, powerful, and scalable. They're not buying off the shelf. They're building their own destiny. As a guy who's bootstrapped companies, I respect that grind. No reliance on others, full control. Let me share a quick story. When I started my first side hustle in Evansville, I outsourced everything at first. Big mistake, delays, quality issues. Once I brought it in-house, boom, scaled to 6 figures. Tesla's doing the same with chips. It's a lesson for all entrepreneurs. To control your core tech. Without it, you're at the mercy of suppliers. Now, let's compare these to the competition. All right, how do Tesla's AI chips stack up against the big dogs? Nvidia's the elephant in the room. Their H100 and Blackwell chips are monsters for training AI models. We're talking thousands of tops, but they're power guzzlers, sucking down kilowatts. Tesla's chips, optimized for inference, running the models in real time, like in cars or robots. Lower power, cheaper to produce, tailored for edge computing. AMD's got their Instinct series, solid for data centers, but not as integrated into end products like Tesla's. Intel, they're playing catch up with Gaudi chips, but market share is tiny. Then there's China. Huawei's Ascend chips are beasts, but US sanctions limit their global reach. Tesla's edge is vertical integration. They design the chip, build the car or bot, and deploy the software. No one else has that full stack. It's like Apple with their M-series chips, control everything, so optimize everything. But Tesla's going further into robotics and beyond. Analysts say Nvidia is valued at trillions because of AI chips. Tesla could steal some of that thunder. Hell, if Tesla starts licensing these, watch out. As an investor, I'm watching this space closely. In my portfolio, I've got TSLA heavy, but diversified with some Nvidia too. Balance is key, folks. Don't put all eggs in one basket. But damn, Tesla's basket looks juicy right now. Let's dive into what each chip generation really does. Let's geek out on the deets, starting with AI4. This one's all about self-driving supremacy. It processes video from 8 cameras, radar, ultrasonics, all in real time. Billions of operations per second to detect objects, predict paths, make decisions. Elon says it'll beat human safety by a factor of 10. No more edge cases like weird weather or construction zones. Oh, it's God mode for robo-taxis. Fleets of driverless cars making bank on rides. Imagine summoning a Tesla that drives itself, safer than your grandma. Then AI5, the Optimus enabler. This chip handles complex motor control, vision processing, natural language. Optimus bots could work in factories 24/7, no breaks, no unions. Elon predicts they'll be worth trillions to the economy. Picture this: bots building more bots, exponential growth, later versions like AI6 and beyond, data centers first, powering Dojo supercomputers to train even smarter AIs. Faster training means quicker iterations on software and space tech, autonomous drones on Mars, Starship navigation without human input. This is Tesla evolving from car maker to AI juggernaut. Elon's all in, and it's paying off. But wait, there's more. These chips could spill over into other industries: healthcare, AI diagnostics and robots, manufacturing, smart assembly lines, even entertainment, hyper-realistic gaming NPCs. The possibilities are endless. As someone who's hustled in business, I see partnerships as key to unlocking this, to fuel this beast. Tesla's teaming up with Samsung for 5G modems. Why Samsung? They're kings of high-speed, low-latency comms. This boosts autonomous driving signals, real-time data from the cloud to the car, ditching old suppliers like Qualcomm for robotaxi supremacy, no lags, no dropouts, perfect for urban chaos. Speed, reliability, all cranked up. But hardware needs humans, or at least brains. Elon's straight up begging for talent on X. We need the world's best engineers. Join if you're elite. Chip designers, AI coders, hardware gurus, if you're watching and got skills, hit up Tesla's careers page. As someone who's built teams from scratch in my entrepreneurship journey, I know talent wins wars. Back when I scaled my first company, I hunted for rock stars, paid premiums, but it paid off tenfold. Tesla's doing the same, offering equity, autonomy, and the chance to change the world. This call out means they're scaling fast, but it's tough. Competition from Google, Meta, OpenAI, all poaching the same pool. Plus, remote work drama. Elon wants in-office grind, love it or hate it. It builds culture, challenges abound. Supply chain kinks from Taiwan tensions, raw material shortages. Tesla's pushing US fabs to mitigate. Smart move, diversify or die. Now, let's talk money. Why this matters for us investors. Now, why should you care as a TSLA holder? These chips aren't just hype, they're the future revenue stream. EVs are maturing, sales dipping 9% last year, but AI, exploding market. Tesla's betting big on hardware to rival Nvidia. Nvidia's at 3 trillion cap, Tesla's around 800 billion now, but AI could double it. Stock ticked up 2% on the AI5 news, but it's volatile as hell. Analysts scream overvalued at 70x earnings, but I say underrated long term. PE ratios are for dinosaurs. Look at growth multiples. Imagine licensing chips to Ford or GM, or powering Amazon's warehouses with Optimus, and Tesla's Dojo could train XAI models, creating a Musk ecosystem loop. 2026 ramps, AI5 production Q2, volumes by year end, earnings boost, massive, margins on chips are 50% plus, risks, delays from fab issues, AI regs from Biden admin, but Elon's track record, he overpromises, underdelivers timelines, but eventually nails it. Model 3, Cybertruck, late but legends. As an entrepreneur betting my portfolio on TSLA, I'm seeing 2x potential in 2 years. I'm bullish. AI is where the real money's at. Diversify, but load up on winners. Personal tip. I started investing with side hustle cash, compounded to where I am now. You can too. What about you? Bull or bear? Zooming out, what's the market impact of Tesla's AI chips? First, chip stocks. Nvidia might dip if Tesla eats their lunch on inference, but overall, AI boom lifts all boats. Broader economy. Optimus could solve labor shortages. Aging populations in Japan, US, factories humming with bots, GDP spikes, but jobs, disruption ahead, truck drivers, warehouse workers, as entrepreneurs. We adapt or die. I pivoted my business 3 times. AI will force more. Environment, efficient chips mean less energy waste. Tesla's green angle shines. Geopolitics, US chip independence from China. Tesla's Texas fabs help. Wall Street's split. Kathy Wood says TSLA to 2,000, bears at 100. Me, 400 by 2027. Personal story. Lost big on a bad bet early on. I learned to research deep. That's why I'm ranting here. Arm you with knowledge. Now, future predictions time. Looking ahead, mid-2026, AI5 and Teslas and Optimus prototypes by 2027. AI6 adds multimodal AI, vision, sound, touch. AI 7. Quantum hybrid maybe. Wild guess. Roadblocks. Chip shortages if demand explodes. Ethical debates. AI safety. Job loss protests. Regs could slow it. EU's AI Act. US probes. But Elon thrives on chaos. Remember SEC battles. Predictions. TSLA to 500 by year end if AI delivers. Bear case. Delays tank it to 150. I'm optimistic. History favors bold movers. This is the prove it year for Tesla's AI pivot. If they nail it, we're talking trillion-dollar valuations. As a grinder from Evansville, I've seen underdogs win. Tesla's that underdog now. Let's wrap this up. Bottom line, Tesla's AI chips are the game changer. AI 5 wrapping up. Rapid cycles, Optimus fuel, data centers, space. History shows their evolution from dependency to dominance. Comparisons favor Tesla's integration. Partnerships and talent will seal it. For investors, this is rocket fuel. Future's bright, but risky. This is Elon's master plan unfolding. As a guy grinding in entrepreneurship and betting big on TSLA, I'm all in. Bullish or waiting? Drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your AI chip prediction? TSLA price target? Share your entrepreneur stories too. Smash that like. Subscribe to the channel for more raw Tesla breakdowns and my investing rants. Follow me on X at Malachi Greb for real-time drops. Thanks for tuning in. MG fam, let's build that future.